Hi, my name is Sara Matney, and my call to action project focused on the lack of jobs offered for ex-convicts and felons. A summary of the issue is that it impacts the people in our communities who are left unemployed or underworked due to their previous crimes or time incarcerated. The unemployment rate for formerly incarcerated people is nearly 5 times higher than the unemployment rate for the general population of the United States. There are no written laws or policies that affect people with criminal records, but this issue is due to exclusionary practices and stigma. The reasons that this problem occur are for the strict rules for getting hired and the stigma surrounding those who have committed crimes or served time. The social worker's stance on this issue is that it should interest social workers because it impedes on basic human rights outlined in the Code of Ethics, and it's clear that social workers have a duty to help their clients and in need to the best of their ability. They are there to help these clients start fresh and move past a rough time in their past. Along with the outright injustices, it also increases the chances that people will reoffend or end up back in prison due to their inability to find a stable job and income. So social workers' job is to kind of look at these issues and prevent that reoffending or ending back up in prison. So some ways that social workers are helping with this issue is, first of all, by providing services to people recently released from prison. When people get out of prison, they obviously haven't been out in the real world for a long time, so they may have lost track of how to deal with their finances or get housing and, just do day-to-day activities that they haven't been doing for a really long time. So a social worker's job is to get them back into the routine that they were in before they were incarcerated. The second thing is aid them in adjusting to life after prison, and that kind of goes along with number one, but some of the specific duties that a social worker can help with is adjusting to life after their release, as well as dealing with discrimination in the workplace, which is obviously a huge issue. And a social worker can be there to work with them, not only in finding a job, but also dealing with defeat when they don't get the jobs that they're seeking out because of this stigma and discrimination. So some ways to help are to advocate, educate yourself and others, and to reach out. You should encourage people to do something about this issue, whether that be voting or bringing that to the attention of someone with power. This situation could arise in a number of environments, and it's important to address it and take action, or else nothing will ever be done about it. Along with this, it's important to educate yourself on the topic so that you can properly advocate for others. This is also a prevalent issue that can arise in many workplace environments, so it's important for you to know what these people are going through in order for you to help them and just educate yourself on the issue. And the last one is to reach out and just be that person for someone who is going through this and kind of be there to help them out, because a lot of times these people haven't been in a workplace environment, haven't been in a position where they're seeking out a job for possibly years, and it's a new and shocking experience to go apply for a job and be rejected due to your time incarcerated or crimes you've committed. So just being someone to reach out and help those people can be a huge difference between reoffending or trying to seek out a new job. And these are my references, and that is my call to action.